What a day. We have some clouds viewed here from our home of economy location in Devils Lake, North Dakota. They're of the high cloud variety. Clear skies and quiet conditions as we enjoy an evening of cool. But first, before we get into all the numbers of our weather, it is our Luther Family Forward Weather Kid Night. Colten Larson joins me all the way from Marshall County, Minnesota. Colten, step on out here. Now, you are 13 years old, and what grade does that put you in, young man?
8th grade.
8th grade. Okay, do you have a favorite subject in school?
Science.
Science. All right. Hey, we talked about this, but what are you studying in science right now?
Some earth science, rocks and stuff.
Well, I love that. That's one of my favorite things to study. Now, before we get started, did you want to say hi to anybody out there?
Yes, I would like to say hi to my 4 friends, Josh, Connor, Dominic, and Elijah.
Well, let's give them all a big wave out there, and let's start talking some digits, shall we? Since you're a science guy, a numbers guy, let's talk about that temperature right now in Fargo. What is it?
45 up in Fargo, feels like 40.
Very good. How about the wind? Do you know what NNW stands for, Colten?
North-northwest.
Very good. And it's only 10 miles per hour, so you probably, do you need a lot of hairspray or just a little bit?
Lot.
A lot of hairspray is fine. Well, you can always use a lot of hairspray. Now, I want you to point out a couple of temperatures out to the west and tell people what they are.
Well, around Jamestown is 45.
Excellent. Where's the warmest temperatures that you see right now?
Around Hettinger.
Yeah, that's a fun one to say. Way out there. What's their number?
55 degrees.
All right, now let's look over into Minnesota. We're going to sneak over here, turn around, and we're going to see that our friends in the North Star State, what are some temperatures you see there?
Around Fargo is 45, maybe 50s.
Okay. How about Minneapolis? What's going on over there?
50s.
Yeah, that's very good. It's a big map. And some cooler low 40s now. How about your hometown forecast? Tell me what you think the temperature is there, even though we don't have a reading there.
Around New Fulton, it's probably 40s, 45.
Good. And how did you get that number?
Thief River Falls, 43.
Right, that's called interpolation. So you're using science to kind of estimate what's going on there. Good work, young man. Now let's talk about what folks are seeing on the satellite and radar right now. Tell us what the sky conditions are here in our area.
Well, in our area, it's pretty clear skies. Some clouds are going to be coming in from Billings.
Very good. Yeah, we do have that batch of clouds. What's the green stuff on here? Is that Jell-O?
Some precipitation coming in.
Okay, I'm still working on it. Now let's look off to the east because there's a little more volatile weather out there. We talked about this. What are all these boxes showing up out here as we look into places like Pennsylvania?
There's some tornado warnings.
Right, so volatile weather out there. We're very quiet, albeit on the cool side. Now the forecast. As we go through the evening, those clouds out west start to make their way in, but overnight is when the cold takes hold. Why don't you point out some temperatures that we'll see up north and down south first thing in the morning?
Around Grand Forks, around the north area, it's probably going to be around 20s to 30s.
Okay, good. How about down south?
A bit warmer, 30s to maybe around 40s.
Okay, test question. What is the freezing temperature of water? Do you remember that one?
32.
Give me 5. That's right on the money, and we're going to be below freezing in most locations, so don't forget your bucket of water out on the porch. It'll freeze. Now, as we go through the midday hours, what's this blue stuff you see showing up from Bemidji through Red Lakes and up towards Baudette?
Some blue...
You remember?
Nope.
Okay, it's frozen precipitation falling from the clouds. Snow. Okay, chance of a flake or two out to the east. Temperatures will be near 40 degrees, another cool one. I don't think it'll be widespread, but we can't rule out a flake or two in the forecast as temperatures for your Friday night look to be pretty cool as well. So now let's boil all this down for everybody so it makes sense. Give them the bus stop forecast. Now, you have school in the morning?
No.
No, but sometimes you just like to take that bus out for a spin on the morning. Now, what's going on tomorrow morning?
It's going to be in the 20s.
Mid-20s up in that Marshall County, Minnesota area. Then how about after school? What's the forecast?
A bit warmer in the 40s to 50.
Very good. 43 degrees, and we'll see temperatures in the mid and upper 40s down south, so a little warmer there with the coldest weather along the Canadian border. Now here's a gorgeous shot of some high, thin clouds we call cirrus clouds. Barbie captured this near Hankinson with the moon as a backdrop. Beautiful. Point out what people can expect for the weekend. Can you do that?
Yeah, and the weekend it's going to be around 50s.
Good, around 50. Still pretty chilly mornings though, and then we'll have a chance of a few showers on Sunday. Next week we warm up a bit by Tuesday, but there'll be a few more sprinkles or some rain in the forecast as well. But at least the freezing mornings go away. Colten, you did an awesome job. Why don't you follow me this way? Excellent work, young man. I want you to take a step right over here as we wrap this up. I got to tell you, you did good. And you know what? One of my favorite classes was that Earth Science in 8th grade. I still remember it to this day. If you'd like to come talk some Earth Science with Hutch, swing into Luther Family Ford and sign up to be a weather kid, or go onto our website, valleynewslive.com, and hit the contest tab. You can sign up. So, what do you think? Was it hard? Easy?
In the middle, yeah.
In the middle.
Okay.
Nice job.
Nice job. Thanks for joining us.